Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, what took them so long can only be the response, as guys I bring you this. Nigeria added to Wikipedia's list of failed states. So what took them so long, and when was it ever the case, other than when was it ever the case that Nigeria was not a failed state is really the question, and what took them so long is the additional question to that. The following question, again the headline: Nigeria added to Wikipedia's list of failed states. So now let's now see what company Nigeria is keeping. Wikipedia's list of failed states has been updated, and Nigeria is now one of the countries on the list. The free web-based encyclopedia project, which contains information on a wide variety of subjects, described a failed state as a political body that has disintegrated to a point where basic conditions and responsibilities of a sovereign government no longer function properly. It further added that a state can also fail if the government loses its legitimacy, even if it is performing its functions properly. For a stable state, it is necessary for the government to enjoy both effectiveness and legitimacy. Likewise, when a nation weakens and its standard of living declines, it introduces the possibility of total governmental collapse. Some of the countries listed as failed states include Syria, Somalia, Myanmar, Nigeria, Iraq, Yemen, Turkey, Democratic Republic of Congo, Central African Republic, Rwanda, Liberia, Yugoslavia, Lebanon, Afghanistan, Sudan, and South Sudan. So that is the company that Nigeria is keeping. Some of those countries, I'm not sure what my thinking is. I'm not sure that Rwanda can be called as a failed state, because I don't see what is failing in Rwanda. And also there's an over-exaggeration of African countries on this list. It's a good 50 to 60% are African countries, but then of course that is to be expected. But the criteria that they're using is very difficult to argue with, because of course they are saying a government has to have legitimacy, and of course the Nigerian government is completely illegitimate. The Nigerian people rejected Malam Buhari in February 2019, but it was foisted on the nation by Mahmoud Yakubu. And so what other criteria are they using? They are saying it has to function properly. Well, we all know that it is not functioning properly. It is necessary for the government to enjoy both effectiveness and legitimacy. So the two criteria, effectiveness and legitimacy, none of which you can apply to, not even his own child or his own wife would in all honesty apply any of those two criteria to Malam Buhari criterion. So none of his clans would apply any of those two to Malam Buhari. So effectiveness, well, we all know the storyline of the Nigerian state: poverty capital of the world, the economy is on the verge of collapse, there's insurgency everywhere, and the people are just completely traumatized from the experience of living in the country. And legitimacy, of course, we've already discussed that. So an ineffectual and illegitimate government is the mix, the ingredients for a failed state, according to Wikipedia, all of which you find plentifully within the Nigerian experience. Conversations in the comment section. What took them so long is my question, because I cannot remember a time that Nigeria did not fit into the criteria of a failed state. What says you? Do you agree or disagree with Wikipedia? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, then come join me in the comment section. Come tell me what your take is on failed states. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.